As we're driving down the road, we're not always expecting that car to spin out in front of us at any moment, right? And when it happens, perception reaction time, it can take a while for us to get into action. But if you're watching it on a video and you're expecting it to happen and you're only seeing this much, you're not seeing everything, it can be a little unrealistic, right?
So I cannot follow my ex-girlfriend around and just look to see what.
That's right. No, you cannot. Right? You cannot. Perception reaction time is typically thought of about 1.5 seconds, but that's under pretty ideal conditions. And so it can be several seconds under less than ideal conditions. When you're talking about lighting or weather or somebody's vision, for instance, they're diabetic, they don't have very good night vision or whatever, or any number of things, right? 18-wheelers, for instance, there's something called brake. And so when they're applying the brake, it takes a second for the air brakes to hit. I mean, there's just all kinds of things that go into it. And so when you get into a situation where, let's say, a vehicle runs into a fixed object or another vehicle, you have to just walk it back until you get to a point I typically call a point of no return, which means regardless of what would have happened, destiny was sealed at that point, which sometimes can be 200 feet before the collision. It's over, right? What's happening is going to happen, right? It's pretty crazy.